Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and thanks to all my subscribers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this big bun on your 4C natural hair. This has always been one of my favorite hairstyles, and it is super easy to put together. So if you want to see how I achieved this gorgeous look, then keep on watching. So this is my hair. I put it in this 2-strand chunky twist so that I can straighten it a little bit. So basically you need your hair to be as stretched as possible to create this bun. So I'm going to go ahead and lose all the twist. Now after losing the twist, let's make the bun. So this is the bun. I already made it, but I wanted to show you how I created the bun. So you will need a socks. This is just a socks, a long socks, and it is very thick. So this is very big. If you want a smaller bun, then you can go for a smaller socks. So how to create it is just basically what you are seeing on the screen. I don't know how to explain this, but this is how I created the bun. It is super easy to make. Just look closely, you will understand what I'm doing there. So now that we've created the bun, we are going to keep that aside and then move over to the hair. Now I'm spraying some warm water to my hair. As always, I like to use warm water because our 4C hair, we really need warm water to work on it. So what I'm doing here is just to soften the hair a little bit, and as you saw, I didn't spray it all over my hair, just at the edges, around the edges of my hair. So after that, I am going to go in with my whipped shea butter. You can use raw shea butter or you can use olive or coconut oil. This is just to, make the hair as soft as possible and to also make it more manageable. My hair is super dry, but it is very soft and moisturized from my last wash. So that is why it was very easy for me to comb through. After combing it with a wide tooth comb, of course you will need a wide tooth comb to comb your hair. Then I am going to go in with my brush. This is just to smoothen the hair evenly, just to smoothen it out to make it look very sleek. Now if you want to use gel, you can apply gel to your hair, but I don't want to use gel on this particular hairstyle. Now you want to pack the hair towards the direction you want the bun to fall. I wanted a side bun, so I am going for the side bun. You can put it at the center, at the back. You can make a low bun. You can put it at the front or top of your head, so anywhere you want it to fall. Use a hair band to secure it in place. After that, you can actually wear it like that, but since we are going for a bun, let's get to it. Now I just put the bun to my hair. Just make sure it is well placed, and then I will use a rubber band to I don't really know how to explain this, but I guess you understood what I did there. So after, you must have added the rubber band to your bun just to kind of secure it, make it look very beautiful. And then you can now use the tip of your fingers to kind of push your hair inside, to kind of tuck it in. Yeah, that's basically it, and that is it. It is super easy to create. I'm sorry if I didn't get to explain everything well, but I guess by watching the video alone, you can understand what I'm doing there. The video is self-explanatory. Now I'm going to use my castor oil around my edges. As always, I always like to apply it around my edges. You can use any edge control, it's your choice. And that is basically it. As you can see, the bun is so gorgeous, so beautiful, and so elegant. You can wear it to any occasion. Yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. I also hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.